BNY Mellon JP Morgan Chase in United States. The Takeda Pharmaceutical Company Limited is a Japanese multinational pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical company. It is the largest pharmaceutical company in Asia and one of the top 20 largest pharmaceutical companies in the world by revenue. The company has over 49,578 employees worldwide and achieved $19.299 billion in revenue during the 2018 fiscal year. The company is focused on metabolic disorders, gastroenterology, neurology, inflammation, as well as oncology through its independent subsidiary, Takeda Oncology. Its headquarters is located in Chuoku, Osaka, and it has an office in Nihonbashi, Chuo, Tokyo. In January 2012, Fortune magazine ranked the Takeda Oncology Company as one of the 100 best companies to work for in the United States. As of 2015, Christoph Weber was appointed as the CEO and president of Takeda. Takeda Pharmaceuticals was founded in 1781 and was incorporated on January 29, 1925. In 1977, Takeda first entered the U.S. pharmaceutical market by developing a joint venture with Abbott Laboratories called TAP Pharmaceuticals. Through TAP Pharmaceuticals, Takeda and Abbott launched blockbuster drugs Lupron in 1985, then Prevacid in 1995. In 2001, TAP's illegal marketing of Lupron resulted in both civil and criminal charges by the U.S. Department of Justice and the Illinois Attorney General for federal and state Medicare fraud. TAP was fined $875 million, then reported as the largest pharmaceutical settlement in history. One of the firm's mainstay drugs is Actos, a compound in the thiazolidine dione class of drugs used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. It was launched in 1999. In February 2005, Takeda acquired San Diego, California based CIR, a company specializing in high-throughput X-ray crystallography, for $270 million United States dollars. In February 2008, Takeda acquired the Japanese operations of Amgen and rights to a dozen of the California biotechnology company's pipeline candidates for the Japanese market. In March 2008, Takeda and Abbott Laboratories announced plans to conclude their 30-year-old joint venture, TAP Pharmaceuticals. The split resulted in Abbott acquiring U.S. rights to Lupron and the drug's support staff. Takeda received rights to Prevacid and TAP's pipeline candidates. The move also increased Takeda's headcount by 3,000 employees. In April 2008, Takeda acquired Millennium Pharmaceuticals of Cambridge, Massachusetts, a company specializing in cancer drug research, for $8.8 billion United States dollars. The acquisition brought in Velcade, a drug indicated for hematological malignancies, as well as a portfolio of pipeline candidates in the oncology, inflammation, and cardiovascular therapeutic areas. Millennium now operates as an independent subsidiary. In May 2008, the company licensed non-exclusively the RNAi technology platform developed by Alnylam Pharmaceuticals, creating a potentially long-term partnership between the companies. In September 2011, Takeda acquired Nicum for €9.6 billion. In June 2012, Takeda announced it would acquire URL Pharma, then run by the founder's son Richard Roberts, for $800 million United States dollars. On the 25th of May 2012, Takeda purchased Brazilian pharmaceutical company Multilab for 540 million Brazilian reals. On the 26th of September 2014, Takeda announced it would team up with Biomotif to identify and develop new compounds over a 5-year period, worth approximately $25 million United States dollars. On the 30th of September 2014, Takeda announced it would expand a collaboration with Macrogenics, valued up to $1.6 billion United States dollars. The collaboration focused on the co-development of the preclinical autoimmune compound MGD010. MGD010 is a therapy which targets the B-cell surface proteins CD32B and CD79B, and is indicated for lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. In 2015, Takeda sold its respiratory drugs business to AstraZeneca for $575 million, which included roflumilast and sulcalcinide. On November 20, 2015, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved ixazomib developed by Takeda for use in combination with lenalidomide and dexamethasone for the treatment of multiple myeloma after at least one prior therapy. On December 2, 2016, the company spun out its neuroscience research division into Ceravance, a joint venture along with Lightstone Ventures. In February 2017, Takeda acquired Ariad Pharmaceuticals for $5.2 billion, expanding the company's oncology and hematology divisions. In January 2018, the company acquired stem cell therapy developer T-Genex for up to €520 million. In January 2019, Takeda acquired Shire for more than $50 billion United States dollars. In October 2019, Takeda announced it had sold a portfolio of over-the-counter and prescription medicines in the Middle East and Africa to Swiss pharmaceuticals company Achino International for more than $200 million. In January 2020, Takeda announced a research partnership with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology to advance discoveries in artificial intelligence and health. The MIT Takeda program is housed in the MIT Jameel Clinic and is led by